Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the warranty status for your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. In order to do this, first of all, we're gonna have to figure out the serial number of our computer. To do that, go to the control center in the bottom right corner of your screen, then go to Power Options and select Sign Out. After that, you're gonna have to press the combination of Alt+V on your keyboard, and this will make the serial number appear in the top right corner of your screen, right here. You have to make sure to write it down or take a photo of it. After that, re-sign into your account, and now we're gonna have to go to the Lenovo official warranty check page. So open the Google Chrome web browser and search for Lenovo warranty check. Okay, so here we have the device warranty lookup on the pcsupport.lenovo.com website. Let's go right here and let's enter the serial number into this field. So in my case, it would be like this. Now let's submit, and as you can see, my device is still under warranty, and the warranty will end in November 2026. We can also see when the warranty has started. And our service level. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.